Hey, I'm Adam, president of Van Martin Roofing. Here at Van Martin Roofing, we know roofing projects can feel overwhelming. That's why we follow a proven process we like to call your path to protection. We designed this process to give you clear communication, caring guidance, and long-term protection from the first conversation all the way through the life of your roof. Our process is built around 3 steps: proposal, performance, and protection. The first step is proposal. This is where we evaluate, educate, and navigate. After we inspect your roof, we'll clearly explain what we found, answer all your questions, and walk you through your options. If your roof only needs a repair, we'll explain that. If replacement makes more sense, we'll show you why. And if everything looks good, we'll tell you that too. From there, we'll help you navigate the best next step with a tailored solution, transparent pricing, and clear timelines. The goal is simple: to help you make an informed decision without pressure or confusion. The second step is performance. This is where we initiate, install, and inspect. If you decide to move forward, our team aligns the details before the project begins so expectations are clear from the start. Then our crews install your roof with precision, care, and attention to the full roofing system, not just the shingles. Once the work is complete, we inspect the project to make sure it meets our standards for quality, safety, and long-term performance. Because getting the roof done matters, but getting it done right matters the most. The third step is protection. This is where we guarantee, warranty, and provide reliability. Once your project is complete, you shouldn't feel like you're on your own. Our worry-free guarantee, Vanguard warranty, and ongoing maintenance support are designed to give you confidence long after installation day. If you ever have a question or need service, our team is here to respond with professional, reliable support. That's what we mean by protection that lasts. So when you choose Van Martin Roofing, you're not just getting a roof. You're getting a clear process, a caring team, and a long-term plan to protect your home. That's your path to protection. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you on your upcoming project.